Whole plan is holy. Hustling, I'm locked in. Oh, oh, oh. They don't owe me not a things, not a nigga that I owe.
That's went crazy on that motherfucker. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Chris, back with another video. You know what I'm saying? We out here in the nature today. Lord, you feel me? Came out here to hike a little, you feel me? I'm just trying to get out the crib for real. It's one of the nice days that we finally had in Dayton. Cause it just snowed 2 days ago. Like, what the nigga? What? With that log? Oh shit, it's a turtle right here. It's a turtle. 2 turtles. Nah, but yeah, bro. I might get y'all this video because later I'm supposed to be going with my brother somewhere. So I might get y'all this video before. I don't even know. I'm just out here for real, trying to drop shit. You feel me? Ooh. Them cribs up there, cuz? Hell yeah. Fat cribs. Fat cribs. Motivational shit. We got a little waterfall. A little waterfall. Let me see. I'll get a better angle on it. A little waterfall. Ooh. That shit crazy. Get some stuff like this in the back of my crib when I get a fat one. It's over. Stop playing with me. I'ma have to though. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe. Like, for real, don't mess with me. Just trying to be great out here, you feel me? Edit these videos. Drop these videos. You feel me? Give back to the people who done gave to me. So my mama, her son can be something, you feel me? Motherfucker steep, boy. The grass green as hell.
Oh shit.
Ooh, you ready to get past this? She thinks she's different. You see? Yeah.
I think they should. I think they should. Quality content.
Quality content. Oh God. Cause he look crazy. I ain't gonna cap.